4 safe swaddling techniques, and when you must stop swaddling. Swaddling often feels like one of those skills everyone else already knows, and if you are new to parenting, it can seem a little confusing at first. So let's walk through a few simple techniques that make swaddling easier. How to safely swaddle a baby, 4 different styles. 1. Burrito wrap. 1. Lay the blanket in a diamond shape. 2. Fold the top corner down. 3. Place your baby on the fold with the shoulders level to the edge. 4. Bring the left corner across the body and tuck it under. 5. Lift the bottom corner toward the chest while keeping the hips loose. 6. Bring the right corner across the body and tuck it behind the back. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such baby care related videos. Please continue watching. 2. Square fold. 1. Lay the blanket as a square. 2. Fold the top edge down. 3. Place your baby on the fold. 4. Pull one side over the body and tuck it under. 5. Bring the bottom corner up. 6. Pull the second side across and secure the tuck. 3. Hands up swaddle. 1. Lay the blanket as a diamond. 2. Fold the top edge down. 3. Place your baby so the shoulders reach the fold. 4. Leave room for bent arms near the face. 5. Bring one side over and tuck it under. 6. Lift the bottom corner up. 7. Bring the other side across and secure. 8. Check that 2 fingers can fit between the blanket and the chest. 4. Swaddle sack. 1. Lay your baby in the open swaddle sack. 2. Align shoulders with the top opening. 3. Fasten the lower part of the sack. 4. Bring one wing across the chest. 5. Bring the second wing across and attach it at the side. When you must stop swaddling. Stop swaddling at the first sign of rolling. This can appear around 8 weeks in some babies. A swaddled baby cannot use their arms to push up if they roll onto their stomach. This creates a risky sleep setting. Swaddling can offer steady comfort in the early weeks when used with care. Follow these safe methods and watch closely for rolling so you can stop at the right time.